Hello, I'm Design Guy. Want to know how to spot and remove pro-only elements in Canva? Let's dive in. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size. Enter any dimensions you prefer. There are no restrictions, so you can use any size here. Go to the Elements tab, then use the search bar to find a specific element you want to work with or edit. Before searching, click the Splash button below. Then, scroll down the page and click the next option as shown. This ensures the correct settings are applied first. Browse the available styles by scrolling through the list or searching to quickly find your preference. Click the Premium button located in the top menu bar to access exclusive features and settings. You can use Ultra Mode for faster performance in your workflow by enabling it in Settings. Search for an element using the search bar. To refine your results, use the additional filter options available next to the search field. Adjust these filters as needed to quickly find specific elements. If you only see the free images and don't have Canva Pro, simply select the free image you want, then click the Apply button to add it to your design. After applying the filter in the search section, type your query again or click Search. You'll now see all the related elements displayed here. Notice that none of these elements are marked with the Canva Pro badge, confirming you're using a Canva Education plan. This plan provides access to many resources without additional pro restrictions, allowing you to use all the available design elements freely. This template is free to use, and I can also select this option because I have access to the Canva execution plan. Choose the template you want and begin customizing it for your project. To add filters, first select the filter option you want to use. Next, click the Apply button to enable the filter on your data. After applying the filter, you can use the search box to refine your results and quickly find the information you need. Another important element is the search results. Notice that Canva Pro doesn't appear in this list of options. When users are searching here, they only see results for the terms they've entered, excluding Canva Pro. This helps clarify which options are available to them. Always make sure to double check that the results match what you're looking for, as some premium options like Canva Pro might not be displayed in this section automatically. Focus on improving quality rather than increasing size. Adjust the resolution or settings to enhance your results, rather than just making files or images larger for better output. Now you know how to filter out pros in Canva. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips.